Hello, I'm Enchanted Moon and welcome to my channel. I have a lovely unboxing from Sarah from Flying Monkey Totes, the girl that makes boxes out of boxes. She makes gorgeous painted boxes full of goodies. So this is for summer solstice or Litha, whichever you call it. I'm gonna be very careful on opening this because I don't want to ruin the box by using my razor. So hopefully that will do it. So we got a pretty wrapped package with my name and pretty Hello Kitty stickers and melody. I love Hello Kitty, even to this day. When I was growing up in the 80s, oh my gosh, I loved Hello Kitty. It was so expensive back then. Now, it's not. Ooh. Look at this. I just want to take the blue ribbon off, which is very, very nice. So you guys can really see this. Look. Oh my God, the detail. Oh my goodness, it is stunning. And this, guys, is a book box. Isn't that cute? I love it. I can't believe how beautiful this is. Takes me a little bit to really enjoy that. And we got like a purple color and always full of goodies. You must get one of these for sure. How do you not enjoy one of those gorgeous, gorgeous boxes? So we got a beautiful thank you card from Happy Summer Solstice. Have a blessed Litha, Sarah. We got beautiful sunflower stickers. Who doesn't love stickers? Who doesn't love stickers? Okay. We have coffee, cake. No, I'm sorry. My glasses really need to be upgraded because they're not really helping me. Carrot cake cupcake tea. Carrot cake cupcake. Now that sounds very interesting. Then we have sunflower seeds. Very cool. I want to plant my own sunflowers. And there's quite a bit to plant. Very cool. Very nice. And she gives you directions on how to plant them. We have incense cones, amber. We have our beautifully made candles, and it has the oils and the herbs on it, so you can see that's what's coming through. It smells very good. It might be a little bit of a eucalyptus scent. I don't know. My nose is clogged, but it does smell like something like that. So let me unwrap these delicately. We got orange color, which makes sense. Okay. So we have beautiful orange beeswax candles too, with a beautiful cauldron on there. And it's dipped in, looks like cinnamon. I'm not 100% sure, but kind of looks like cinnamon. Very pretty. And then we have some mystery in here. Oops. Ooh, pretty. We got a sun incense catcher. Very pretty. You can put a cone, and there's a stick hole right there. And it's like a whitewash wood. It's really pretty. Very nice. That comes in handy. And then we have this blue cloth and a beautiful Tree of Life paperweight. That is really cool. She could have made this too. It's absolutely stunning. She probably did. Really nice. That is cool. Keep it safe in here. Then we have I always drop the crystals. And I don't mean to. My hands. They're wrapped nice. Ooh, we have Organite. Triangle. Very cool. And then we have Sun God Helios. This has also items in the box, which I'll go over real quick with you. We have probably a ritual. Oh, this is the information on Organite, what it is and what you do with it. It gives you information on the tea. Gemini, that's what I am. And then this is information. Ooh, this is really pretty. Setting up your altar, gathering your tools, assembling your altar, your Litha altar. Cool info. This beautiful, who is Helios? Info in the back. We have this beautiful, what is Litha. And that has that info there. And then we also have the inside of this pretty box. It's lined. Ooh, don't fall asleep. And then the last one we have here, Litha correspondences and Sun God ritual and Helios success rite. So that's cool that she gives you rituals if you would like to use as well. All right, this is the contents. Oops. So we have the hand-painted, beautiful Aquarian Tarot, the Sun card. Then we have the Litha Helios ritual. Then we have yellow beeswax candles, it says here, but these are orange. No big deal. I prefer the orange for the sun anyway. I just don't want that to ruin my box. Because it does have oils on them. I'll find a spot for that. Then we have the Organite pyramid and the information on all that stuff. We have the beautiful Tree of Life paperweight. Gorgeous. The incense cones are amber. The herb is sunflower seeds. Caffeinated tea blend is carrot cupcake, which sounds so good. Then, of course, all the information and stickers, but we also have this beautiful sun incense. Here it is, Celestial Sun Incense Holder. It's hand carved in Bali. Yeah, Bali. Beautiful. And of course, our stickers and all our wonderful information as always. She always does an awesome job. Let me know, guys, what you think of this gorgeous Litha box. Thank you guys for watching. I'll leave the information down below. Have a great Litha.